marketing is a constant. It is, and every day, even now, and my marketing point of contact is Chad, and I think that we're like best friends now, because we talk daily through text or calls or anything else. Marketing is fairly fascinating, and it's like working out. That's what I said, is that you can go to the gym for a month and you will look great on and then if you stop going to the gym, you're going to fall off again, right? And that's the same thing with marketing. It's a day-to-day thing, and that is something that, if you're going to be successful in any level of business, especially our business, which is so competitive, and you got to start thinking about, okay, why do people, you need to get the books and go to the blogs and figure out why people call you. Why do you rank well page wise? Page one. One of our attorneys years ago, she came in, she's brilliant, Phi Beta Kappa, GW grad, just a brilliant young lady, and she came in and she said, "Hey, where do you hide a dead body?" I said, "What?" She just kind of threw me, and I said, "What? I don't understand." She said, "Where do you hide a dead body?" I said, "I don't know." She said, "Page 2 of Google." I said, "Touche," and so I would. It's funny. I'm like, fair enough, but. In any event, I know marketing is a big deal, and I would not, if I guess if I had to sum it all up, don't be afraid to market. If don't be afraid to spend money if you are betting on yourself. Okay, if you have the ethos, if you have the the ethic, the drive, if you're betting on yourself and that's your only bet and you're confident, do it. Okay, but if you have any blemishes, any problem with getting up out of bed, any problems with rolling up your sleeve, may not be what I suggest. But if you're betting on yourself and you're confident in your skills and most importantly your work ethic, if you can get up and get after it, then I'm if I can do it, you can do it.
And I can't think of a better way to end it than right there, Thomas. What do you think? Any other final questions for Michael?
No, I think that's a great place to end it right there. If you can think of doing anything else, if you got any kind of doubt in yourself, then maybe don't hang a shingle for yourself. But if you're confident, determined, then that's the way to go for sure.
I think that it's I'm trying to think of all the little things, the little vignettes in my memory. Like I said, the biggest thing I would say, if you have an engine, you have a big engine and you're just ready to get after it, and you can do it, you've practiced enough law to where you're not going to stumble. I would not, I wouldn't, if somebody purely right out of law school, like newly minted day 2 of your, that'd be nerve wracking. I say, hey, I'm sure, it can happen, but I had enough knowledge where I felt like I knew not to, what I needed generally to do. But moreover, if I was very confident that my work ethic would prevail, and I'm still here.
That's awesome. Hey, Michael, where can folks go to find out more about your firm?
The website, generally, it's callrobinson.com, and that is a website, and so that's where it could be. But guys, I certainly appreciate it. I feel like I over talk, but I hope some of this helps out to any young attorneys or old attorneys or middle-aged attorney, whatever it may be that wants to go down that road, because it's certainly doable. You just got to put a little thought into it and a whole lot of work.